Every piece of information has two dimensions. What is it and when it was true? Last year, Microsoft gave us GraphRAG, a system that finally understood the first dimension, relationship, connections, and meaning. But they forgot the second dimension. They forgot time. And in October 2025, a new paper arrived that remembered what Microsoft forgot. This is that story. For those who don't know me, my name is Homayun and I opened this channel to help you be updated with recent technology and show you how to implement them efficiently. Your like and subscribe is a big motivation for me to continue this path. Thank you in advance for that, and let's begin. Here's what nobody tells you. RAG systems are blind to time. The paper says it perfectly. Knowledge is inherently time sensitive and continuously evolves. But our current systems ignore this completely. And this happens because of time-blind embeddings. Imagine when you search CEO in 2015 versus CEO in 2023. Your embedding models produces nearly identical vectors, same queries, mixed results, and that's a chaos. And these systems are expensive to update. If you want to add a new data, you need to rebuild the entire system from scratch. Not updating, rebuilding, and that costs a lot. GraphRAG was an elegant idea. Instead of isolated chunks, you extract the structure hidden in your documents. Step 1 is entity and relationship extraction. The LLM finds companies, people, concepts, and how they are connected. Step 2 is the knowledge graph constructions. Entities become nodes and relationships become edges. Step 3 is the community detection. The Leiden algorithm finds the clusters. Step 4, hierarchical summaries. Each community gets a summary, and this lets you answer big picture questions across thousands of documents. 4 problems exist in GraphRAG, and all of them are fundamental. No temporal awareness. The same fact at different times is stored as one edge. For example, 2015 CEO and 2023 CEO. These are identical to the system. System cannot distinguish them. The second problem is expensive updates. New data means rerunning the community detection and generating all those summaries, which costs you around 610,000 tokens per query. Next problem is a static corpus assumption. The system assumes your data is fixed, but real knowledge bases evolve daily. The next problem is no temporal queries. You cannot ask a question like, how did our cost change from Q1 to Q4? The system does not even understand this question. GraphRAG solved the structure but forgot that knowledge lives in time. October 2025, a new framework arrives, Temporal RAG. And here is what makes it different. Bilevel graph. 2 layers are working together. A temporal graph connected to a time hierarchy. Time-stamped edges. Same fact, different time, different edge. Incremental updates. Only touch what's new. Everything else stays untouched. Local retrieval for a specific fact and global retrieval for the trends, and both working together. And finally, they made a new benchmark only for temporal questions. Now let's see how the 2 layers work. Lower layer is the temporal knowledge graph. Here nodes are entities, but edges are not just relationship. They are quadruples. Entity relation, entity plus time. Same relation at different times becomes different edges. And the upper layer, the time hierarchy. A tree structure which year is on top, quarters below, months below that, and each node stores a summary of what happened during that period. And here's the elegant part. The cross-layer edges connect them, and the knowledge graph knows which time period it belongs to. This slide tells the whole story. In GraphRAG, as I mentioned earlier, when the new documents arrive, it re-extracts all the entities, all the relationships, rerun the community detection algorithm, and regenerate all the summaries. However, in Temporal RAG, when the new documents arrive, it just extracts only the new temporal facts, and merge them into the existing graph, and generate summaries only for the new time nodes, and update the ancestors. Here, the cost is minimal, because we are just targeting the new documents, not rebuilding everything from scratch. Now let's put all together and compare them. 7 features that Temporal GraphRAG wins every single one that matters in production. Temporal GraphRAG not only outperforms traditional GraphRAG, also it outperforms all the existing RAG methods based on the benchmark that they provided in their research paper. Now it's the decision time. Use GraphRAG when your document is static, is a fixed document, and your knowledge base won't evolve daily or monthly. And also when time is not a matter for your use case. And use Temporal GraphRAG when your data changes frequently. When the time-sensitive question matters. When you want to understand the costs, the difference in financial metrics from quarter 1 to quarter 2, from year 1 to year 2, and you want to generate a financial report, this is the moment you need to use the Temporal GraphRAG. GraphRAG proved that the structure matters, the relationships matter, that you cannot just throw embeddings at everything and hope for the best. But it missed something fundamental. I will make more videos about Temporal GraphRAG. It's something that recently came, and I believe that it will change lots of things. The link of the paper is attached into the description. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one.